Hi guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you guys are doing well, and in today's video this is going to be a aesthetic haul video wherein I'm going to share with you guys all the Amazon finds that I found which are very aesthetic, affordable and definitely worth buying. So without wasting much time, let's get started. So the first one I have here with me is this makeup organizer which I found on Amazon, and it looks very aesthetic, elegant at the same time, and it takes very less space. And also, like, there are sections like this wherein you can store your makeup essentials and skincare essentials as per your convenience. So this is one purchase that I made on Amazon. In case if you would like to check it out, y'all can check the link in the description box below. I will tag all the products there. Moving on to the next one I have here with me are these set of beauty blenders. Now these are in 4 different shades. Actually the shades look similar, but then this is a set of 4. You also get a choice wherein you can choose a set of 3, but this is the packaging of it. It looks very cute and aesthetic and also very affordable, and you can always carry them with you if you are traveling. So this is one set which I got on Amazon, which is one of the best purchases I have made. The next one I have, this is a makeup organizer actually, and this also looks very elegant and cute at the same time. So these are the sections wherein you can store your makeup essentials and skincare essentials. It also has this cute drawer kind of thing, so definitely a worth buying, and this one is just for ₹99. So this is one more thing I found on Amazon. As I said, it looks very elegant and cute. The next one I have here with me is this sunset lamp. It looks very pretty. So it has this wire and it also has a remote wherein you can change the setting as per your choice. So you just need to on it, and this is how it looks on the wall when you place it. So definitely a worth buy. I would definitely recommend this one. Okay guys, so this was all for today, and if you guys like this video or if this video was helpful to you, then to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and also don't forget to hit the notification bell icon. Till then, stay safe, take care, bye bye.